guys, and welcome to day 26 of the 40 days of pours. This is yesterday's dried result. It's a little darker, but I like that a lot. I love how it's kind of like inverted versions of itself. There. Okay, and today we are going to be doing a chakra pour, which isn't really like a technique or anything. It's just kind of the colors of the chakra. And a while ago I watched Artists Till Death do this video on doing this chakra pour, and they did it with resin, but I kind of wanted to do something like that as well, but on a smaller scale. So I got the chakras right here. I'm gonna try to flip these over and drag them. So we will see how this works. And I'm debating whether I should infuse them with black and white. Actually, I'm going to. I like that idea because I put silicone in all of them. And so the white and black does not have silicone. I'm trying to like forcefully push the paint into the cup. Alright. So we're just gonna literally flip these over real quick. Whoa, it's not happening like I thought it would. Well, when does that ever happen? Alright. I actually quite like how it's like the purple up top, and then kind of the color blobs down bottom. I'm gonna come in here with some. Alright, I think I'm going to leave it just like that because I don't want to lose too much of the purple. And I will torch it real quick, and then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here we are for our close-up. I did put some metallics, like some silvers and golds, into these colors to give it a little more dimension, and I really like how you can kind of see that because of the silicone. It's not how I expected it to turn out, but I really like what did come out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will be back tomorrow with the dried result.